Let's check out a standard room here at Port Orleans French Quarter. All right, so coming into the room here on the left, we have our 2 queen-size beds. This is a really nice headboard. Ooh, leather. And then that detailing there is really, really pretty. Little pop of orange. You can put our luggage underneath because they're on the little platforms. Katie is in the little settee. Say hi, Katie. Hi. This is some cool Tiana's artwork here. Tiana and Naveen. Cute little table. That's our air conditioning unit, if you can hear that. Nice, good size vanity here. Got 6 drawers. They're pretty decent size too. This huge countertop. Got coffee maker, ice bucket, another shelf, more drawers, a beverage cooler. There's 2 sets of plugs on there. Smart TV. Coming around. There's still some plugs back there. Some shelves. A ceiling fan, which is unique. Coming into the bathroom, Katie really liked the tile, very pretty. I like all the blues and greens. Nice size mirror. Double vanity. There's a little step there for the kids. A nice size shelving unit here too. More storage. Full size mirror, hello. Your safe. And some hanging storage. And then coming into the bathroom, this really pretty shower. Toilet, and then this door closes. Coming out of the bathroom, closes off with this pretty barn door. All right, that's going to do it for our room tour here at Port Orleans French Quarter. A really cute room, really spacious for up to 4 people. If you've stayed at this resort, let us know what you like most about this hotel. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment, and we will see you real soon. Bye, friends.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.